Apple products are great when you need to get the job done, but sometimes they need TLC. TechGrove is a brand new Apple Authorized Service Provider, ready to repair iMac to iPhone and everything in between. Because of our affiliation with Synetic Technologies, we have the capacity to service companies and educational institutions at volume. Whether your device is out of warranty or under AppleCare, or your school or business needs large-scale system updates, we are here to help extend the life of your Apple products and get them into working condition. Screen repairs, software updates, data backup, adware and malware removal, and more. With TechGrove, you get the creature comforts you've come to expect, with the ability to meet all your needs at scale. To find out how we can help, call TechGrove today.